Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Spring is finally here and I'm excited to share this cherry blossom madeleine recipe today. Every year around this time, I share recipes using salt pickled cherry blossoms. I've made cherry blossom cookies, milk pudding, onigiri, and today I'm making cherry blossom madeleines with you. Most of you probably wonder where I get these edible flowers. I get them from this shop in Japan and they ship internationally all year round. So I put the link in the description box below. Now let's get started. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Japanese recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next video. またね!